of 2 or 3 different types of cricketers, and I think that's why Chris Woakes would have been an interesting selection if he had been fit. I think because if Woakes is not there, they've had to go down the ball and spin ball.
Nice one, bus driver. Another one running red light. Honest to God. Standing in this city, the driving standards absolutely shocking.com. Home. Well, that's not smart, mate. Sticking half your butt end out into my lane.
I know.
Typical self-righteous.
Back league games under Ruben Amorim, Jamie O'Hara had a field day with them.
Nice one, you fucking tool.
Everyone, overrun in midfield.
Well out.
Every single week I watches.
Belenda Russ.
And that is why today I am announcing this government will make a new free of charge digital ID mandatory for the right to work by the end of this parliament.
I don't know what kind of things you like, so
tucking in to
like
wholesome
music.
American food here.
And what's a highway code, but not to even look.
I always want to be in title fights, and thankfully, you know, I'm back fighting for the British title. Like I say, against a good Jamie TKV, one that I thought was pinging David Adelaide until, you know, that controversial finish. So I know what he's about. He's a good opponent, and I'm looking forward to the contest.
You're not supposed to drive over the roundabout like that.
He represents. Obviously, Jamie came on.
Hamilton in 2021, where the race director
I know.
changed the rules.
That's it, cut the corner out. You're not supposed to do that, you sausage.
Lewis Hamilton would have then won the World Championship. So I don't
To speak with dispatch, press 1 to book a taxi. I will now connect you to an operator.
One way? Where are you going? Cockney jobbly 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 job jobbly jobbly jobbles.
Fucking you stupid bitch! Fucking you stupid bitch!
Liverpool in Christ, cowards managed to win at St James's Park. Cowardly Mikel Arteta, and now, you know, we could have a good season.
Another van with its indicators fucked. There we go. 2 turnings. We're just going to guess which way you're going. Highway maintenance. Want to maintain your truck and get your indicators fixed.
This is a country that stands up to hatred, and that we don't just provide refuge, we provide a home. For so many Jewish families, that is the story of Britain. But Britain is also where Jewish buildings, synagogues, even schools require round-the-clock protection, where dedicated specialist security is necessary because of the daily threat of anti-Semitic hatred. Today's horrific incident shows why. And while this is not a new hate, this is something Jews have always known, we must be clear. It is a hatred that is rising once again, and Britain must defeat it once again.
2 billion people around the world, and you're going to have the rarefied air of 70,000 people in a stadium. Yeah. So 70,000 people out of 7 billion people on the planet are going to have the privilege of being able to...
More red light runners!
...to watch.
By the big guns who came in to troubleshoot, sort them out, and overnight they were making us jump through hoops. in fact they dropped us at one stage, but by public demand they put us back in, but they didn't want us because they didn't put us into all of the shops, and they made the ordering difficult, and it was in no time. I mean, we dropped out at that stage. You know, we realised that what we were up against. But some of our friends who were in the trade, they dropped out eventually because
it was before, but I just don't seem to like it. There's no shops, there's nothing like to pique your interest.
Still time to get in tonight's Euro Millions draw. So turn up that dial. The Euro Millions jackpot is 25.
There's another inconsiderate friggin' jubilee.
Estimated jackpot account terms, rules and procedures for not players.
Hell with everybody else, I'm just going to block the lane so you can't get round.
And whether you're a tailor,
Thick as mince!
you need the tools to succeed.
That's why we have build up a traffic with drivers like you.
You'll have free accounting tools.
So you're in a good mood because it's Friday.